These AI websites are so powerful, it almost feels illegal to use them. And the craziest part, they're 100% free. Alright guys, in today's video, we're diving into 5 free AI websites that are absolutely mighty. Not just for fun, these tools can actually help you work faster, create amazing content, and even make money. And the best part, every single one of them is completely free. But careful, once you know these, you might get addicted. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, so you won't miss any of our future videos. Leonardo.ai, the genius image creator. If you love AI-generated art like Midjourney but hate paying for it, this one's for you. Leonardo.ai. It can generate super detailed, realistic, professional illustrations just from a text prompt. You can choose styles like anime, digital art, hyper-realistic, or even product design. The coolest part, Leonardo lets you train your own custom model. That means you can create a unique visual style that's yours only. If you're a content creator who wants consistent character art, just upload a few sample images. Leonardo will learn your style instantly, and the image quality. Honestly, it rivals Midjourney or DALL-E. And yes, it's completely free. Runway ML, turn text into video. Runway ML is basically AI movie magic. Imagine typing, a cat wearing sunglasses walking in New York, and within seconds, boom, you get a real video of it. Runway's AI turns text into realistic motion video clips. But that's not all. It also has a green screen tool without the green screen. You can remove any background from a video in just one click. This used to take hours in expensive software like After Effects. Now just open a browser and you're done. Fun fact, the film Everything Everywhere All at Once actually used Runway ML for some of its effects. And yes, there's a free version perfect for learning AI video editing. ElevenLabs, the voice that sounds too real. Now this one's both cool and slightly scary. It's called ElevenLabs. This website generates ultra-realistic AI voices that sound almost indistinguishable from humans. You can type any text, pick a voice, and it instantly turns into a natural, expressive narration. Even crazier, you can clone your own voice. Just upload a few seconds of your speech, and the AI will recreate it perfectly. Imagine the potential. YouTube videos, podcasts, TikToks, all with your voice, without even recording. But yeah, use it responsibly. It's so realistic that it could be misused. Notion AI, the smartest office assistant. If you write a lot, work in an office, or make scripts like I do, you're gonna love Notion AI. It helps you write anything. Articles, Instagram captions, emails, or project ideas automatically. One of my favorite features is rewrite mode, which makes your sentences sound more natural or professional. Perfect for when you're stuck on how to start a message or a piece of content. And the summarize feature, a total lifesaver. Just paste a long text, and Notion AI gives you a clean summary in seconds. Gamma.app, make presentations from text. This one's not that popular yet, but it's a total game changer. Gamma.app can create a complete presentation from plain text. Just type something like, create a presentation about the impact of AI on education. And within a minute, Gamma builds full slides, clean, professional, and editable online. If you're a student, teacher, or office worker, this can save you hours of design time. No need for PowerPoint. No need to design manually. The AI does it all. So, those are 5 incredible free AI websites that honestly feel too good to be true. If you're just starting to explore AI, these tools are the perfect place to begin. But remember, AI is just a tool. What truly matters is how you use it. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.